Hi friends, you are watching my channel Learning Zone. I am Janze from Pakistan, and these are very skilled people. As you can see, they are creating very skilled parts, precise parts. You can see their work, the finish, what the finish they are creating on wood parts. You can see, and these parts are still in progress. I mean, they are not yet finished, but they are in progress, and you can check the fineness and the shine as they are doing. So let us see how they are doing. This is their material, the wood polish. They are doing by their fingers also, and as well as the pad what they are using for bigger parts, and for smaller details they are using their fingers, because the finger is the most you can say the accurate part in the world. Your finger is the most accurate part in the world. No other tool can comply with your finger, so that's why they are using their finger to make the job perfect. Here is another skilled person. He is doing in some other parts. So let us see. This is a little dull polish. You can see the color is dull, because somewhere you need color like this and somewhere you need color like this. So there is a difference between both. French polish, spirit polish, they are using, they have special pads for this. You can see this is a regular pad which is normally used, and this one is a smaller pad they are using for special detailing. These are the materials. In these bottles you can see these are the materials, and here is also another bottle which have this shellac and spirit. These are the unfinished parts, just wood, walnut, specially made wood, because you can see these are special laminations they have created. This is not single part, but this is lamination which they have created. There are other people who are creating these parts, and these people, they are just making the finish, the color and the polishing. So special skill, and these are the colors they are using. This is all what is experience. By experience they are making. There is no other shortcut for the experience. So friends, hopefully you like this video. If you like it, give a big thumbs up. Press on bell icon and press on subscribe and click on all, so you will get notifications for each upload. Thank you for watching.